Peter Pan 212. We're at the Magic Kingdom to get Peter Pan Wishables, which is perfect because you're wearing Peter Pan. And we parked in Peter Pan.
And I'm a redhead.
And that is Peter Pan. Not really. But he's British. British. So this is the display at the Emporium. Let's see what we can find. All right, Chris, go ahead, feel it. What do you got? What do you think you have?
Either Peter or Wendy.
It better not be Wendy because I felt one. It is neither. It's Nana. It's Nana. This one might be Wendy. I think it's Wendy. Ready? Yes. Wendy, darling. She's cute. She looks like Alice with a different hairstyle.
Yeah.
She looks like the Mirabelle.
Right?
Kind of like her.
Yeah, she does look like the Mirabelle.
And seriously, so like,
There you go. I'm gonna let you open it for me, okay? You gotta feel it and tell me what you think it is, though.
Okay. So I feel a head. So I think it's. I don't know. I think it's a name.
You might be better at this than I am because I always feel it and get it wrong.
I feel like the little round thing of Nana. So
Okay.
this is a Nana.
Okay, you try that one and I'll open up this one. Ready?
Okay.
This is the one I think is Peter.
Okay.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I got Peter. We were both right though.
Yeah.
So we got a double of Nana, but that's okay. We'll find the boat.
Yep.
Yes. Thanks, Storm.
You're welcome.
Coolest name ever. Seriously. Hi, babe. What are you doing? Da, da, da. Chris,
Yeah?
while you were out here,
Yeah?
Storm and I actually opened up some Wishables.
Awesome.
So we got the Tinkerbell, of course, who is the open end. And then we got another Nana. So we did get a double. I thought it was a boat, but it wasn't. And then, hold Nana. And then we got, dun dun dun, Peter Pan. So we just need the boats now. Parker, look. Look who it is.
Does that mean Olivia can have a Nana?
Peter. So of course we came to the Magic Kingdom because this is where Peter Pan's flight is. We've got Wendy, Nana in this series. We've also got Peter Pan and 3 versions of the boat. So if you look over here, right now we are at these 3. We just need to find that bad boy. Hopefully we can find them all, but we are at the most magical place on earth, so anything's possible. So we thought it was only suiting to take a break to go on Peter Pan's flight since it's Peter Pan Day. Dun dun dun. What you got here? High five. Yeah. Time to go to Neverland, Parker. Second star to the right. The Darling residence. Is that who that is? Mr. and Mrs. Darling. It's Nana, the family dog. Oh, Parker, I'm gonna get you that outfit. Whoa. There's Nana's house in the nursery. Here we go, Parker.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your pirate ship. And watch your children. See you in Neverland.
To Neverland.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
London is where Dada's from. Look, baby, we found Neverland. Whoa. Parker. Poor Wendy. Yay, Peter saved the day. Yay! Yay! Here we go. Time to leave. Time to get those Wishables. All right, now we're back to Wishables. What are you thinking?
I don't know, it feels human-like.
What? I didn't think it felt human-like. I thought it felt like a boat.
It is a boat.
Yay! Which one?
The blue one.
The blue one. I think that's the one that's advertised. Let's take a look.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Look at the blue one. So cute. One down, two to go.
Lucky.
Parker, we got a boot, 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 boot. We got a boot. You want it? Whoa, what's that? Cool. All right, I'm hoping for another boat. I think it is one. Yes, and it's a different color. Cute. By mistake, he's going like this. All right, one more boat left. It is. Yeah! Woo! Only one double with a Nana, but we gave it to Olivia. Woo! We got them all. Whoa, Wendy. Can you give her a kiss? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Look at that! You got them all! Yay! Yes! Cool! The second star to the right shines on your nose, Parker. So we're leaving Magic Kingdom, but Chris, it's time to vote. Out of all of the ones we got today, which was your favorite?
Nana.
Really? Mine was Peter, of course. But I do have to say, this was my favorite day of ever getting Wishables because that kid Storm was just the coolest.
Oh yeah, it was cool to meet Storm. Hi, Storm.
And Parker absolutely loved him. But now we're going home, so see you there to put the Wishables in the ball pit. So here is a look at the bag you see with Wendy, Nana, Peter, and the vehicle. We still haven't decided whether we're going to put them in Parker's ball pit or have them in our Peter Pan game room. However, there are 3 different versions of this that are the variant, and there is an open edition, which is Tinkerbell. So Tinkerbell's quite cute, so we did make sure to get her as well. So there's Tink, Nana, Peter, Wendy, and then the vehicles. So I do love that the 3 vehicles have 3 different looks to them. There's ones with the rosy cheeks and the open eyes, the eyelashes and the eyes, and the closed eyes in 3 different colors. We were super lucky because there's nothing that sets them apart to feel in the bag. So we were lucky to get them without any doubles. And here's the whole collection. Dun 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 dun. Done. And as is tradition, into the ball pit they go. Happy Wishable Day, Parker! Da da da. Ta. Ha ha.
Lot more family.